Okay guys, on to the next step, step 21. We're going to go ahead and uncleco the elevator tips, take them out. The first, I believe, 10 holes. Yeah, the first 10 holes, we're going to go ahead and countersink the composite tip. And then that way the first 10 holes will get dimpled on the aluminum part and countersunk on the composite part for the flush rivets. So go ahead and take those off and countersink those real quick. For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com.
Elevator assembly step 21 took 30 minutes. Total time on the empennage, 63 hours, 15 minutes.
Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.